Good afternoon, everybody. We got big bellwether TSLA. It's going to report its quarterly results. Down here, it hit 198, and it's popping back up here. So momentarily, we are going to get that report, and then I will update the rest of the MMTs. So we are briefly waiting on the Tesla, as you can see right here with this 3-minute chart. That's going to show us what that knee-jerk after-hours earnings is all about. Here we go. We have a little bit of movement, but they have not released the number yet. Here we go. We got that Tesla pumping down here at 195. Yes, we do. That was that knee-jerk reaction. This thing's all over the map. We're going to see what this big, printing down here at 193. Yeah, it's live. It's here. It's now. Oh, my goodness sakes. Pumping down there to 189. Yes, yes, and yes. You can see that baby zip, and there are going to be some dip buyers down there at 188. I've given Tommy and Johnny, you try to get that thing and sell it right back. So that 188 is holding, pumping back. There it is, 190. 189, 189. Whoa, that 188's coming down there. There it is right there. And this is big bellwether. We knew that we have shorts on Tesla. Not because Tesla is a bad company. It's just because there is too much controversy. And we got our big ass MMTs. They're going to be coming out right now. I'm covered out of there. Here, teletype it back. We're done with it. So, this is that low end at 186 right here. And now they're running back. Look at those numbers go. So we came out of that trade quick and fast. So the low and after hours is 186. And I will go over the numbers with the MMTs, by the way. And one of the things that we're going to talk about is that Tesla is very volatile. And you got to know what you're doing and why you're doing it. And yeah, we came out of the trade because we made money when it dropped very quickly. And who says what's going to happen until the conference call comes around? And once again, I'm not getting the numbers on Tesla except for the preliminary was 12 cents versus 6 cents. And that's what caused the knee-jerk reaction, and we're pumping right back up. And that's how you take advantage of that 186 low right back. But I can tell you, my guys are out of that thing down here now. And so we will find out. That's that volatility. There isn't hardly any numbers. All right, delivers 6.457 versus 6.4. Guidance is usually deemed conservative on Tesla. Reaffirms 14 deliveries of 35,000 cars. Gross margins are 25.4%. Guidance for a slight increase from Q4, of 252% with a non-GAAP. So there's going to be a lot of controversies around it. I will have my other senior traders trade this thing in and out. The short paid. We did not take any of the option trades because we have some people who took them, but for the majority part, we're going to be waiting to take advantage of the calls and the puts and the various strike prices on that opening bell tomorrow morning. And once again, Tesla will provide a buying opportunity off of the lows, but when we get into the conference call, we're going to be able to update everyone at that time. And the thing about it is you got to know when to be a short seller and when to go long. You got to understand that most people cannot handle this after hours. You would have to come here, get our management on this, trading the after hours. Go to stockmarketfunding.com. You're going to find it all right there on many trades after hours. So we're going to let our new MMTs, who are going to get the best part of this trade in the morning, and here it is getting slammed down at 188 again. We're out of the trade on the short. Now, you can never ever regret taking a profit. Now it's going down lower than where we had a buy to cover. but you can't always look at it that way, because when you're in after hours, you got to take that knee jerk reaction, because a lot of times, as you know, they shot that 3 minute wick right back up above 200, and these are the lows at 186. So I'm going to conclude Tesla Motors, and yes, our option market makers, the people that trade market maker here at SMF, will get a great opportunity to take a look at that strike price tomorrow morning and trade those calls and puts and make a lot of money.